Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to password protect a folder on Windows 11. Now to do this one, what you are going to do is head over first here in Google, and I want you to go ahead and type WinRAR here, and then you're going to click the download. So here in the download, I want you to download the latest version here. So once you've downloaded that one, you can just go ahead and install it. It's very simple process. Now once you have installed it, you're going to head over to the folder that you want to set a password. So say for example this one, I'm gonna right click here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and choose WinRAR, add to archive, and here we are going to set a password. Now to do that, you have this one here. Go ahead and click that, and then go ahead and type your password. So for the sake of this one, I'm just going to go ahead and put here password, and then hit OK, and then you can go ahead and just delete this one. You should be able to see this one right here already. So there you go. You can go ahead and click that one. I'm just gonna choose WinRAR here for opening this one. Close this, and there goes the folder. So if you're going to open that, say for example this one, it's going to ask for your password. Again, in order for us to open this one, we should be entering a password. So that is how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day.